upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchases without the need for a crystal ball. Today, we're diving deep into the steaming world of floor cleaning. That's right, we're comparing the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop and the Neugo Steam Mop. One promises to leave your floors sparkling while the other has its own unique twist. Let's see which one of these mops can clean your floors better, faster, and without turning you into a sweaty mess. Spoiler alert, one of them might just be the mop of your dreams, and the other one, well, let's just say it's a little more of a nightmare. First up, the price. Shark is coming in hot at just $89, while Neugo thinks it can get away with charging $109. Reviewers appreciate Shark for being easy to assemble, operate, and effective in cleaning without leaving streaks. Meanwhile, Neugo is recommended for its effectiveness in cleaning and sanitizing floors, but it comes at a higher price. So let's give the first round to Shark for being the wallet-friendly option. Next, let's talk steam temperature. Shark claims to turn ordinary water into superheated steam. However, Neugo impresses with a whopping 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam, which reviewers love for obliterating grime. While Shark's steam is effective, Neugo's superior heat gives it the edge in this round, as users rave about its ability to clean tough stains and even grout. Now, let's get to ease of use. Shark has a quick 30-second heat-up time, which is a plus, but Neugo offers adjustable steam modes for a customizable cleaning experience. Reviewers find Neugo easy to use and effective in cleaning up after pets, while Shark is noted for its quick fill and empty process. For versatility, I'm giving this one to Neugo. Let's talk about the water tank. Shark has a 450 milliliters capacity, which is decent, but Neugo comes with a 15.2 ounces removable tank. Reviewers appreciate Neugo for its ability to clean effectively without frequent refills, while Shark's capacity is noted as decent, but could lead to interruptions during cleaning. Therefore, Neugo wins this round. Finally, let's talk cord length. Shark has an 18-foot cord, while Neugo flaunts a 23-foot cord. Reviewers love Neugo for its longer reach, allowing for easier cleaning without unplugging. Shark's shorter cord may require more maneuvering, so in this battle of the cords, Neugo takes the prize. In summary, Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness on various floor types, making it a favorite for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, Neugo's Steam Mop is highlighted for its powerful steam, adjustable settings, and longer reach, making it a go-to for those needing a versatile cleaning tool. Both have their strengths, but they cater to different needs and preferences. So after all that steam-filled drama, which mop comes out on top? If you're looking for affordability and quick heat, Shark is your guy. But if you want more features, adjustable steam, and a longer cord, Neugo is the clear winner. At the end of the day, it's all about what you need. So choose wisely, and may your floors always be cleaner than your neighbors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.